Look at this cutie. His swimming skills are out of this air.
Bruh.
When your dog is more attached to your pants than you are.
No eggs. Please stop.
Oh, well, bet the thermometer said, a little too close, boy. Dog's choice. Dad, get the leash. Mum cooks a feast.
This? I bought this with money. I just gave money to somebody and they gave this to me. They just gave it to me.
He's making sure the road isn't too hot for his pup's paws. Good job, bro. His face be like, okay, whatever. If doing this makes you guys entertained. Climbing Mount Dog Everest, one face at a time.
Bruh.
Yay.
Lauren, she's biting me! Go!
Paparazzi, furry fashionista on the street. What purse brand did he choose? Little me watching Granny sew like, so what toy are you making there?
Fetch. Fetch. Yes.
When your dog decides to play leash tag and ends up tying you both to a tree. Grandpa and his favorite granddog, partners for park adventures and exercise.
Yay, go!
Doggo makes a mess, and this girl's got the perfect solution. Take note, guys. Puppy sweater weather is the best weather. No matter how powerful you are, this furry fighter will always win over your heart. When you're outnumbered and outmatched by tiny terrors.
Huh?
You're trying to find buried treasure, but your puppy thinks it's a game. when the pouty puppy mode is activated. Let's give him some treats. Parties are fun, but the after parties, not so much. That's why we all need one furry guardian for ourselves. Who needs a captain when you've got a canine skipper?
Okay, Murphy, round 2.
Doggo finds the muddiest spot ever, and it's bath time for everyone. In this family dance-off, what is your favorite dancing couple? Let's vote! Ever notice how puppies are always drawn to the drama? They've got their own built-in radar. Dog's having a blast with a rock while you're freezing. Priorities, right? This French Bulldog's balloon game is on point. Who knew balloons could be so entertaining? Me turning into a needy baby of cuddles whenever I need attention.
I'm trying to pee. Bro, you got my hair in your mouth because you're close to me, okay?
Beach day with the pup. Sun, sand, and plenty of tanning time. Real footage of me getting old as a dog lover.
Папка приїхав, я тебе чекав. Мій кожаний приїхав, кожаний, я зараз тобі все розкажу. Кожана мене обіжала, курвасану не давала, гулять не водила, смаколики ховала.
Trying to keep up with your bouncy, skippy dog on a walk like...
Bueno, acá estoy yo tratando de jugar con papá y que me dé bolilla un ratito.
What kind of boss would believe you were late for work because of this? Guess who gets a little too excited with a balloon? Hold your horse, boy.
Bildiniz mi? Ne? Kaç. Dur. Bak, dur. Bakacağım. Acıkmıştı arkadaşlar. Gece geldiğimde göremiyordum bugün.
And that's a wrap. These hilarious hounds sure know how to steal the show. Thanks for joining the laughter. Until next time.